Connect Primary 1 for Egypt.
ميس منى، هاني، هنا، يوسف، أميرة. مينساش النحو النشيط بيزي بي. وأهم حاجة في شخصيات الكتاب هي النحو النشيطة بيزي بي.
Unit 1, page 2. Exercise 1. Look, listen and repeat.
Hello, I'm Miss Munna.
Hello, I'm Hanny. I'm Yusuf. I'm Hannah. What's your name? I'm Amira.
Unit 1, page 3. Exercise 1. Listen, point and say.
Hello. Goodbye.
I'm Hanny. I'm Hannah. I'm Yusuf. I'm Amira.
Unit 1, page 3. Exercise 3. Sing. Unit 1, page 4. Exercise 1. Listen and say.
Bag. B. Bag. B. Book. B. Book. B.
Unit 1, page 6. Exercise 1. Listen, point and say.
Open your book. Close your book. Open your bag. Close your bag.
Unit 1, page 6. Exercise 2. Listen and do.
Open your book. Open your bag. Close your book. Close your bag. Open your bag. Open your book. Close your book. Close your bag.
Unit 1, page 7. Exercise 2. Sing and do.
Open your bag, open your book, say hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. It's time to say hello. Close your bag, close your book, say goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. It's time to say goodbye.
Unit 2, page 10. Exercise 1. Look, listen and repeat.
What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's a pencil case.
Unit 2, page 11. Exercise 1. Listen and say.
Bag. Pen. Sharpener. Ruler. Pencil. Pencil case.
Unit 2, page 11. Exercise 2. Listen and point.
It's a bag. It's a book. It's a pencil. It's a pen.
Unit 2, page 12. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
Pen. P. Pen. P. Ruler. Ruler.
Unit 2, page 14. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Unit 2, page 15. Exercise 3. Sing and do.
1, 2, 3. Boys, stand up and count. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Girls, stand up and count. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boys and girls all count. 2, 5.
Unit 3, page 18. Exercise 1. Look, listen, and repeat.
Listen, Hanny. Touch your nose. This is my nose. Well done, Hanny.
Unit 3, page 19. Exercise 1. Look, listen, and say.
Eye. Nose. Mouth. Ear. Hand.
Unit 3, page 19. Exercise 3. Sing.
Stand up, sit down, turn around, clap your hands and sing. Touch your nose, touch your ears. We are happy. Stand up, sit down, turn around, clap your hands and sing. Touch your eyes, touch your mouth. We are happy.
Unit 3, page 20. Exercise 1. Listen and say.
Hand. Hand. Nose. Nose.
Unit 3, page 22. Exercise 1. Listen and point.
I brush my hair. I wash my hands. I wash the salad. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Review 1, page 26. Exercise 1. Listen and point.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Book, bag, pen, pencil, pencil case, ruler, sharpener, neck, eye, mouth, nose, hand, ear, hair.
Unit 4, page 30. Exercise 1. Look, listen and repeat.
I can play the guitar.
I can play the drum.
I can play the flute. I can play the piano. Let's play together.
Unit 4, page 31. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
Drum, flute, triangle, guitar, piano.
Unit 4, page 31. Exercise 3. Sing.
Bang, bang, bang. I can play the drum. Come and play with me. Toot, toot, toot. I can play the flute. Come and play with me. Ting, ting, ting. I can play the triangle. Come and play with me. Strum, strum, strum. I can play the guitar. Come and play with me.
Unit 4, page 32. Exercise 1. Listen and say.
Drum. D. Drum. D. Guitar. G. Guitar. G.
Unit 4, page 34. Exercise 1. Listen and say.
I can hear.
I can smell.
I can touch. I can taste. I can see.
Unit 5, page 38. Exercise 1. Look, listen and repeat.
I'm 5. How old are you? I'm 10. How old are you, Hanny? I'm 6.
I'm 6 too. I'm 7.
Unit 5, page 39. Exercise 1. Look, listen and trace.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Page 39. Exercise 3. Sing and do. Unit 5, page 40. Exercise 1. Listen and say.
Cake. K. Cake. K. Orange. O. Orange. O.
Unit 5, page 42. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Black.
Unit 5, page 42. Exercise 2. Listen and colour.
Blue. Orange. Green. Black. Yellow. Red.
Unit 5, page 43. Exercise 2. Listen and colour. 1,
1 orange cake.
2,
2 blue balloons.
3,
3 yellow cakes.
4,
4 black balloons.
5,
5 red cakes.
6,
6 green cakes.
7,
7 red candles.
8,
8 orange balloons.
9,
9 yellow cakes.
10.
10 blue candles.
Unit 6, page 48. Exercise 1. Look, listen and repeat.
Have some tea, Mother.
Thank you, Henny.
Please have some cake, Grandmother.
Thank you, Hannah.
Unit 6, page 49. Exercise 1. Listen, point and say.
Father. Mother. Sister. Brother. Grandfather. Grandmother.
Unit 6, page 49. Exercise 2. Listen and say the number.
Who's this? This is my grandfather.
2.
Who's this? This is my father.
4.
Who's this? This is my brother, and this is my sister.
5.
Who's this? This is my mother.
3.
Who's this? This is my grandmother.
1.
Unit 6, page 50. Exercise 1. Listen and say.
Flag. F. Flag. F. Tea. T. Tea. T.
Unit 6, page 52. Exercise 2. Sing and do.
this? Show me, please.
Here's a card, it's a card for you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hello, help me some water, please. Here's some water, it's water for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, help me a pencil, please. Here's a pencil, it's a pencil for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Review 2. Page 58. Exercise 1. Listen and point.
Orange, blue, red, yellow, green, black.
Mother, father, sister, grandfather, brother, grandmother. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Unit 7, page 62. Exercise 1. Look, listen and repeat.
Where's the boy? He's in the living room.
Where's the girl? She's in the bathroom.
Unit 7, page 63. Exercise 1. Listen, point and say.
Living room. Bedroom. Kitchen. Bathroom. Garden.
Unit 7, page 63. Exercise 2. Look, listen and say. 1.
Where's the boy?
He's in the bedroom.
2.
Where's the boy?
He's in the bathroom.
3.
Where's the girl?
She's in the living room.
4.
Where's the father?
He's in the kitchen.
5.
Where's the mother?
She's in the kitchen.
6.
Where's the grandfather?
He's in the garden.
Unit 7, page 63. Exercise 3. Sing.
Where's Eunice? Where's Eunice? He's in the bathroom. Can you see? Where's Lena? Where's Lena? She's
7, page 64. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
Apple. A. Apple. A. Star. S. Star. S.
Unit 7, page 66. Exercise 1. Listen, point and say.
Star. Square. Triangle. Circle. Rectangle.
Unit 8, page 70. Exercise 1. Look, listen and repeat.
The camel is big. The ant is small.
I can see a king and a queen.
Look, the pyramid is big. The stone is small.
Unit 8, page 71. Exercise 1. Listen, point and say.
Camel. Key. Pyramid. Sphinx. Stones. King. Queen.
Unit 8, page 72. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
King. K. King. K. Queen. Qu. Queen. Qu.
Unit 8, page 74. Exercise 1. Listen, point and say.
Look, it's big.
Look, it's small.
Unit 8, page 75. Exercise 1. Look, listen and point. 1.
Hello, I'm Zane. I live in Port Said.
2.
Hello, I'm Eunice. I live in Luxor.
3.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Adam. I live in Aswan.
4.
Hello, I'm Mariam. I live in Cairo.
5.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Reem. I live in Alexandria.
Unit 9, page 78. Exercise 1. Look, listen and repeat.
I can throw.
I can swim.
I can skip.
I can kick.
I can dig.
Unit 9, page 79. Exercise 1. Look, listen and say.
Kick. Dig. Swim. Skip. Throw.
Unit 9, page 79. Sing. Unit 9, page 80. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
In. I. In. I. Under. Under.
Unit 9, page 82. Exercise 1. Listen and number. 1,
Where is it? It's in the box.
2,
Where is it? It's on the computer.
3,
Where is it? It's behind the flowers.
4,
Where is it? It's under the book.
Review 2, page 86. Exercise 1. Listen and point.
Throw. Camel. Sphinx. Bedroom. Star. Swim. Pyramids. Kitchen. Rectangle. Kick. Circle. Bathroom. Dig. Queen. Garden. King.